knowledgeable and lovely. Filled our experience with knowledge and kindness. Really got a feeling for the lovely area. Claire was wonderful. She was very knowledgeable and extremely patient and informative. She even guided us where to get our next transportation. I plan to recommend her. Discover Pau in just 60 minutes on a guided walking tour, where you'll explore the city's highlights and experience its vibrant culture with a knowledgeable local. Visit iconic landmarks from the Château de Pau to Place Royale and learn insider tips on the best places to eat and drink. This small group tour is perfect for travelers who want to make the most of their time in Pau. Capture the regal charm of Pau along elegant boulevards with views of the Pyrenees. Benefit from personalized recommendations on top bars, cafes, and restaurants for your stay. Enjoy the intimacy of a group limited to 8 travelers for a more authentic experience. The itinerary adapts to your interests and pace, ensuring a flexible and enjoyable Pau walking tour.